Hello and a very warm welcome to Ganesha's Code-a-thon tutorial series. So Ganesh Chaturthi, also called Vinayaka Chaturthi, is celebrated for 10 days every year. The festival generally falls in mid-August to September as per the Hindu calendar. It marks the birthday of the beloved Ganesha. This Ganesha's Code-a-thon is an opportunity to express and use the power of creative coding using Scratch to create stories from Ganesha's life, create games that can show some fun element, like the competitive race around the world between Ganesha and his brother Karthikeya. You can create quizzes or puzzles, or you can do anything on the celebrations of the 10-day festival. Also, inspiring people to adopt traditional, organic, and natural way of festivities. You can even create some interactive cultural community programs that give a feel of virtual celebration of the event. We have put out a very sweet interactive Ganesh celebration and children are loving it, and that's why we're going to walk you through the code aspects, because this tutorial, the series of tutorial, will help you to learn some key concepts that can be easily used in any of your Scratch projects. So we look forward to seeing them, and do give us a comment on how you enjoy our Ganesh celebration project and the Ganesha Code-a-thon. Keep watching, do like and subscribe